Hey folks, welcome back to Crazy Hillbilly Creations. We're going to take this piece of walnut and turn it into one of these. Take this walnut, we're going to run it through the thickness planer here on both sides, kind of clean it up a little bit. Boy, don't that walnut clean up nice. We found a nail or some little piece of metal in the middle of it. I hope it didn't mess up my planer blades too bad. Alright guys, so we are in the process of reorganizing the shop, and the joiner is kind of out of commission at the moment. So we're just going to clean up these edges. They're fairly straight, so we're just going to clean them up with a sander. Alright guys, we got the ends all nice and cleaned up. Now we will move over to the miter saw. Alright y'all, now that we're over here at the miter saw, first thing we're going to do is square it up. We're going to make it 24 inches long. So to have enough room for our handles, we're going to mark in on each side 1 inch. And that's where we'll start making our cuts. Alright folks, we got our 1 inch mark made. Now we got to check our depth setting, make sure we got it correct. And then we're going to set our draw back, or back and forth draw where the blade is centered of the board. And what we want is we want to cut straight down in the center of the board. In the center of the board, but we want to leave a 1/4 of an inch on each side where we don't cut. That's what we're looking for. We'll keep doing this all the way down until we can take that center out. Alright, we got all of our cuts made. You can keep cutting these out. I'm just going to chip them out and sand them. Alright folks, we got our holes drilled for our handles. We're going to put those on and oil it and we'll be finished up. Countersunk it on the bottom. Alright folks, we got the handle on it. Now we're going to rub it down with some refined coconut oil and it'll be ready to put on the market. Alright folks, we're using the liquid coconut oil. Want to rub it in real good, get all the excess off. We're going to let this dry or soak in, and we'll probably do it a couple more times. Make sure it's good and saturated. And there it is, y'all. Finished product. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. If y'all want to see more like this, please like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. I think our next project is going to be a maple and black walnut bowl done on the miter saw, and then we're going to have birdhouses and all kinds of stuff after that, so y'all stay tuned.